Let me show you how to swap out some of these blocks. Now we have a sample email right here. So scrolling down. So we selected a template and now we're going to change up the things here. Now what you do, a lot of this is mouse driven. So you're going to take the mouse and just click over here. And you see as the thing is highlighted, you have some options about what you want to do with it. Okay, this right here is a sizing button. So you see you can size this. All I'm doing is clicking it and then boom, 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 boom. Okay, now also you can, padding is, let me show you. Okay, did you see what happened there? Okay, padding is just kind of a subtle design change. Okay, now when we've selected this thing, we have some options related to it. Now you see if I click away, I don't have the options to change that picture anymore. I have to select the picture, and then what will happen is that a menu will hover over it and there will be this little arrow connected to it. Okay, so here I have the opportunity to replace the picture. I have the opportunity to put a link in the picture, and I can put the picture in the middle. I can left justify it, I can right justify it, I can delete it, and then when I'm done I click done. Okay, so I click here and I'm going to show you just as an example. Okay, if you center it, what happens? Did you see? Okay, that was like really subtle because it's just kind of small. So let me make it a lot smaller. Okay, you see now it's definitely centered. Whereas if, okay, let me make it left justified. There's left justified. And let me make it right justified. Woohoo! Now let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and what you can do is you can click on this button right here, link. And what this does is it connects a link to this photo. So it makes this photo clickable. So I'm going to click on this. Buildingaspirations.com is my website. And what you can do is you can test the link right here, test. And what happens is it brings up the website. It shows you what it is actually going to bring up. And it is bringing up my website. There you go. Building aspirations, marketing, strategy, training, coaching, and implementation. Training, coaching, management services, and it talks a little bit about what I do, including the speaking and some other services. So there you go. You insert that. Now, when anybody sees this in the final email, they have the opportunity to click on it and then go to a specific link. So if I, to prove it to you, I'm going to close out this website right here that I showed you, and then I'm going to click on preview. And then what will happen, it will show you a demo of what the newsletter will actually look like. And then any active links are valid here. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on this picture. Okay, I'm clicking on the picture, and lo and behold, the Building Aspirations website begins to come up again. Now, where this is really valuable is on a mobile device, because you can have people click a link, or if you're like me, you have a small phone and big old fat fingers, it's a little bit hard to do. So if you give people a photo to click, and then you might say, click on the photo to the left to buy these earrings for your sweetheart today. That's how you add a link to a photo.